You tap it already.
Pick it up. One. One, two. I'm waiting until you get out. Open the door.
La mesa.
Es que a mami le encanta esta mesa. Mesa. Yeah. Oh, we're doing a lot in one day. I swear to God, we are.
Me and my sweater.
Doing a lot. Get your sweater before you get sick. Grab a couple tools. Vic, you came out here without no sweater. Oh. Yeah, man. Let's drain it real quick. We can actually drain it right there in the bushes.
Right there, we're gonna drain it.
Would be the proper way to get an oil pan.
Yeah.
But then where I'm gonna dispose of it.
It's easy, right there.
Nah. I don't have to bring it to the mechanic shop. Pay them to expose them. Oh, can't see nothing out here. Should have a flashlight, but my phone. Yeah, I ain't even going. Who got the flashlight? What part is this? Part 5?
I think part 5.
Oh.
Okay then. Alright, bye. I'll see you in a few.
Nice and dark. That's the way we love it.
Alright then, baby.
Shit black as cheese. Funny.
I'll tell you about like this and shit. Bye. I love you. Bye. If you want to lift it up from your corner a little bit, like from the back, so you can see.
This way?
Oh, yeah. Alright, let's go.
Drained it.
Yep. Didn't have much, but
Right. Something is something,
yeah,
right?
something is something. So this way. Gotta hopefully hold on, move it over. Hold it right there. Hold it so I don't fall.
I am. Yeah, make it bigger.
Step on it on that corner. We just gotta put it like along the end. So
We're gonna what? Flip it?
yeah, let's drop it right here first. Drop it on the second step. Then let's just throw it this way. Might spin a little bit.
Yeah.
Alright. Set that.
There it is. So
Probably so you can off, guys.
we getting somewhere. We getting somewhere.
See how these bearings are looking and everything's looking. Hopefully we get good news and give us a little bit of motivation.
Here's Chicago. You can see.
Tiene que tocarlo. Touch it. Martillazo, no, with your finger.
Eso coge vuelta, ¿oíste?
Tócalo duro. Duro.
Ahora lo que endereza eso y abajo.
Hard, bruh. Messing it up. I don't want to.
I am touching it hard, nigga.
But like this, my guy, like this. There you go. Tap it. It's fine.
Así es una obriga. Lo fuiste cuando se pone la mecánica, tira herramienta para acá, herramienta para allá, cuando tú vas a buscar.
Yeah, that way.
It don't matter which way. So you have to be a real cameraman. There it is. Good there. Taking the bolts off. Oil pan gasket gotta go. Henry, shout out to my boy Henry, hooked me up with them parts, gaskets.
Yeah, man, it's auto parts gonna support. You're gonna